I want to make a quick video today on how to properly store your car over winter. I live here in Canada. I live in Alberta, so I'm not able to drive my G37 all year long. So I'm just going to make a quick video on how to properly store your vehicle over winter. So essentially, these are the things you'll end up needing. You're going to need a battery charger. You can disconnect the battery the battery in your vehicle, pull it out and connect it to one of these guys so it doesn't die on you. You're gonna need some fuel stabilizer, so we'll add some of that in with a full tank of premium fuel. I got some clay bar here, so we also will be washing the car, clay barring it down, and then getting it ready for a brand new car cover. I ordered this guy online. I'll put a description for all the items that I used today in the bio. So yeah, let's get it started. So first of all, what we're gonna do is actually, before we go and wash this car, I'm gonna get my winter beater out of the garage here, and I'm actually gonna clean this whole area and just make sure it's all ready for the G37 over the winter. Once you guys have the whole area cleaned up that the car is going to be sitting in, you also want to do a nice thorough clean of the actual vehicle itself. Do the interior first. So I've already cleaned out my car, so it's all clean. And then we'll do a really good exterior wash with a clay bar to finish it off. Another thing to take into consideration is doing your maintenance. Some people recommend doing it before, some people do it after they take it out of storage. Just things like an oil change, maybe an air filter. This car has already been done, so that's not something I'll have to worry about for this video. But if you do have maintenance due on the vehicle, you should either do it before storing the vehicle or right when you take it out, depending on your preference. I just finished washing and clay barring this car. I didn't make a video on it, but I'll make another one showing you guys how to properly clay bar your car. So now what we're gonna do is just add some fuel stabilizer to this bad boy. So the stuff that I picked up was Motomaster fuel stabilizer. So this recommends 100 milliliters for every 30 liters. So this is a 60-liter gas tank, so it'll take 200 milliliters of the stabilizer. And there's a little thing you can measure it out on. So the funnel I have doesn't actually fit in there, so I ended up mocking this guy up. I know, very professional, right? I didn't have time to go run to the store and pick up a funnel that actually has a rotating nozzle, but alright, so you're gonna add in 200 milliliters of the fuel stabilizer. Alright guys, so once you guys have the fuel stabilizer put inside the gas tank, according to the bottle it's recommended to run the engine for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do that. Plus I'm actually going to take the car for a little drive, probably around 5 kilometers, just to make sure that everything is running perfectly. And then make sure you guys end up filling up your car with some good premium fuel. And you're okay guys, so our next step is going to be actually to install our battery chargers. So this guy right here. So just locate your battery. And for this car, because it's a little bit hard to reach the to actually pull out the battery, I'm gonna end up actually leaving it connected. So what you're gonna do is just loosen these guys up. That's on this side and the one for that guy right there. And we're gonna connect these guys, so we're able to connect our charger. Alright guys, so I got the little guys connected on there. Now I'm gonna plug this guy into your 12 volt, which I got extension wire running to power socket right there. And now I'm just gonna connect these guys. light went from charged to charging. So it's working. I'm just gonna cover this guy up. And I'm going to leave my hood slightly prompted up with a car cover over it. And up on the last step here. So what we're actually gonna end up doing is leaving some of these fabric softeners in and around the car, so there's kind of doesn't end up any smell to it or anywhere. Just dropping those guys, and we're actually going to put the windows down slightly, just so there's a little bit of air circulation going through. That's probably good right there. That looks good right there. Last step is going to be putting on your car cover. Charging, and that's it. That's how you get your car ready to be stored for winter. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button down below